luck and the risk. Luck and the risk. This is very, very important. Success, even before taking the session, I didn't accept this. But after taking this topic especially, my behavior, my way of thinking got changed a bit. The reason for that is, earlier I'm always believing my hard work is going to decide. Luck, these kind of things are not there like. No, no. So luck and time favor. Luck and time favor. Okay, time favor. Risk. Luck and risk. These two things also must be required. I mean, luck is there. Then automatically, okay, with your effort, if luck added, time favor added, then you will succeed. For your effort, luck is not there. Time is not favored with you. Then you may, even you are doing excellent way also, you may fail. Remember this one. You may fail. Best example, Bill Gates, world richest person. Big company, computer company he started. Big company he started. But the problem here is, but the favor thing what happened here, at the 8th standard where he is studying in that school, lakeside school, in that school, computers are available. In the world, 1970s, very few schools having this facility. One, that school is Bill Gates' school. Really, I used this word right. Okay, by mistake, while studying Bill Gates in the school, in that school, if the computers are not available, then there is no Microsoft. Remember, I told right, there is no lakeside school. There is no Microsoft. Next, because luck, time, luck favored for that person. He only told, if I studied somewhere else, then I may not start Microsoft. I may not be there. Next, Alan, his friend, both are classmates. Alan Paul and Bill Gates, both the people got started Microsoft. There is another friend was there, Kent. He is very talented than these two people. Kent is very talented than these two people in the same school. Okay, in that school, timetable is required for with all teachers for all classes. The program Kent only wrote. In that school, Kent only wrote. But at school level, while doing mountain climbing, in accident, that person died. He is more talented than Bill Gates, Paul Allen. But still, his life ended at a kid level only, at school level only. Talent, effort, all these things. In addition to this, luck, time favor also must be required. That's why, okay, a person may do everything correctly, but still fall because of luck favor is not there. A person who is not doing good, just average only, but that person may succeed. So sometimes what happens is luck favor. So luck, unluck, these things, time favor, these things are not in our hand. Only one thing in our hand, our effort, our hard work. That is the only thing in our hand. That's why concentrate only on this. If the luck is going to be favored, well and good, you are going to succeed. If the luck is not going to be favored, try again.